Hi everyone and welcome. Thank you very much for joining me here on IPO Market Watch. And if you want to join us on Bull Market Watch, the link will be at the bottom of the screen or in the description of the video. Now, if you are new, consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button, as that really does help. In this video, everyone, I will talk to you about a $2 stock that has immense potential. The potential is really big, and it really honestly is, and it is based on the commodity price of the specific commodity, which is pretty much on the bottom. It has been sort of confirmed that we are on the bottom by Rio Tinto themselves. I'll explain what I mean. I'm not going to talk about Arcadium Lithium that's already been bought and acquired last week, but there's another stock in the same sector, which is something that people, I think, should keep their eye on. And I'll explain at the end of the video if I will buy it, and if I do, at what price. Before I get to that stock though that you will want to know about, guys, have you heard about this? I don't know if you know. I think a lot of people are not aware of this, and I'm not saying that you should go out and buy it, but I don't know. If you're into crypto, maybe you might want to check it out, maybe not. Let me know in the comment section below. World Liberty Financial. At the time of me recording the video, I took a screenshot right now. We have 1 day, 17 hours left, 51 minutes before this goes live for people to be able to purchase it. Who would have ever thought, to be honest, all right? I don't think even Donald Trump himself years back would have ever thought that he would be doing this, all right? I mean, years back, he was running the Plaza Hotel in New York. And now he's launching the World Liberty Financial crypto token. All right, so he's gonna have his own crypto coin. It's going to be called World Liberty Financial. Be careful though, guys. Seriously, be careful. If you are even interested in this idea, there's already copy scam coins out there with kind of like the same name, same ticker almost. Don't fall into those traps. Be very careful. So if you're interested in this, just to be safe and you don't fall into scam copy coins, you might want to go through Donald Trump's X account, right? So you're here, Donald J. Trump X account. He posted this on October 12th, and it's going live on Tuesday, as you can see here. And if you click on this link that the former president offers, then you can go and sign up and all that stuff. Anyways, over on the Discord, guys, I called mRNA at $66 a buy back on September 12, 2024. We were able to sell at $70. How about Lyft at $11.35 back on September 13, 2024? Able to sell at $12.41. Big mistake because it's going to go higher. EBS at $6.48. Called that a buy. Sold it at $7.60. Big mistake because it went over 9. And 10 days ago, guys, I made a video for you guys with this thumbnail going up, right? And here's the screenshot of the video. The video was for Arcadium Lithium. At that time of me making the video and recording the video, the stock was at $4.01. And I said that this would be the easiest trade right now. Fast forward 5-6 days later after that video, guys, Arcadium Lithium right now is at $5.57 and has been acquired for $5.85 per share. And this brings us now to the $2 stock that I want to talk about. The $2 stock I want to talk about is involved in the lithium commodity sector. If you take a look, and I'll just show you the chart right here, at the prices that lithium as a commodity is trading, the global price that you would pay as a big, importer of lithium, whatever, for your EV business, etc. Right now, lithium prices are right here, guys, right here. And this is the all-time chart that I clicked on, right? Obviously, there's more way back, but let's say it's going back from 2015 to 2024. That's a lot of years. And basically, you can see that we're trading right here now. That's where the lithium price is as a commodity. It's pretty much at the bottom. We've pretty much hit the bottom. What happens when a commodity hits the bottom? Eventually, it starts to go on a bull run. I mean, obviously makes sense, right? It's not going to stay down there forever. Rio Tinto themselves hinted and told us that we're at the bottom. Rio Tinto goes all in on lithium with $6.7 billion deal to acquire Arcadium. Why did they acquire Arcadium? One of the reasons the CEO of Rio Tinto said was that he is confident that long-term demand will be strong. So is there any other lithium player right now that is trading at a low price that we can gain, maybe through that they get bought out, or just let alone the stock itself will grow as lithium demand and prices of lithium go up? So I said this in my Discord, guys. Good question. We know one thing for sure, because someone asked me, Mike, is LAC a good price to buy now? One of the members, right? So I said, good question. We know one thing for sure. This is a guaranteed truth. The lithium as a commodity is trading today at rock bottom prices. We also know that all major players, including Rio Tinto, acknowledge that a rebound will eventually come and lithium prices will soar. That there will be other acquisitions / mergers and situations where everyone will try to get situated to profit from the next upcoming lithium bull cycle. So the question is, are there any lithium stocks left that are still trading undervalued with capabilities to generate revenue in the bull cycle? Now, lithium prices are not rock bottom because there's no demand. That's actually the opposite. The demand is healthy. It's not super strong, but it is healthy. If you look at this chart, guys, this is the global EV sales, with China being the orange color, Europe being the blue color, and US being the green color. And this is from 2002 all the way to 2024. What do you notice with EV sales? Global EV sales, EV cars being sold. It is dramatically rising from 2000, I would say from 2020, it started to rise big time, right? And the rise is just getting every year more intense, higher and higher and higher. China is growing insane in EV sales. I'm surprised to see that Europe sells more, in Europe more EV sales are sold than in the US. I would think it was the opposite, but it's not. So we're looking at Lithium Americas Corp, ticker symbol LAC. The stock is trading at $2.89 right now as it closed in after hours. Like I said, I'm recording on Sunday. It used to be a company called Lithium Americas, but then it split to Lithium Americas and Lithium Argentina, and both of those two stocks after that split suffered big time, dropping at something like more than 50% and so on. But then again, if you think about it, what lithium stock has been going up the past 1 year? No one. All lithium players are going down. Why? Because the lithium prices have hit rock bottom. But just as the volatile lithium market has seen insane drop the past year, the past 2 years, right? Insane dramatic drop, you can expect pretty much the same dramatic move, but on the upward side in the next 5 years. So Lithium Americas Corp engages in the exploration, development of lithium properties in the United States and Canada. It holds 100% interest in something called Thacker Pass, a project in northern Nevada, as well as investments in other properties in the US and Canada. But we're going to focus on that property in Nevada because it is a very good property, and General Motors themselves were willing to say that we'll give you over $700 million to pursue this specific property and mine lithium from it. The risk with LAC, guys, is the property in Nevada. Not that the property is bad. It's got plenty of high quality lithium, so they're going to make money off of that. The problem is that Lithium Americas needs money, and if they don't get the necessary funding to pursue mining there, then investors in LAC could stand to lose. So in order to get that money that they need, they've been talking with General Motors, and General Motors has agreed to give them up to $700 million. They give them half the money already, but the other half they are not giving it yet, because they say that they want to first see Lithium Americas receive that loan from the government. The Department of Energy promised Lithium Americas over $2.2 billion in funding so that Lithium Americas can mine that property in Nevada. $2.2 billion is a lot of money. So far, Lithium Americas has not received that money. And that's where General Motors backed off and said, okay, I already gave you $333 million. I'm not giving you the rest until I see what in the world is going on, and are you going to move forward with this property? That property's assets, guys, have the potential to bring $1.1 billion in EBITDA on average on an annual basis. Now imagine this. Okay, let's just imagine. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, not saying it's 100% sure, but imagine this, that you get news that LAC will get the rest of the money from General Motors. All right, let's say we get news that General Motors will give them the rest of the money. Stock goes up. Let's say we get news that LAC will get that $2.2 billion from the Department of Energy. Stock explodes. LAC starts mining. Stock goes higher. Lithium prices. The lithium price of the commodity starting to rise and going on the bull run, because it's eventually going to do that. LAC goes higher. Why do we think that they can't get that $2.2 billion from the Department of Energy? GM delays the lithium investment amid falling prices and election uncertainty. The election uncertainty that it states here, that so there's a political side to it.
You know, What can be, unburdened by what has been. What can be, unburdened by what has been. What can be, unburdened by what has been. What can be, unburdened by what has been.
General Motors believes that under the Biden administration they're going to get it, but we're near elections and they didn't get it, so that's stupid. And then they think that under Trump administration they're not going to get it. Why? Which is actually stupid too. Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump has pledged to end the electric vehicle mandate, and plans laid out by the former Trump administration officials in the Project 2025 document to shutter the loan program office have forced miners to close agreements before President Joe Biden leaves. Essentially saying that Donald Trump will be against the EV industry. So, they think that if Trump wins, they don't, LAC won't get the deal. I think that's kind of stupid in a way. I don't think Trump is against the EV industry. He's already stated that. So I don't think the $2.2 billion loan is under threat. If anything, the company hasn't gotten anything under the Biden administration, right? The other thing is why it's kind of stupid in my opinion. Elon Musk. Isn't Elon Musk on Trump's side? Didn't Trump say that he's going to put him on some kind of position, cost-cutting position and so on? Cost-cutting position for the government may not have anything to do with lithium, but it does have something to do with lithium because Elon Musk is a 100%, 200%, 1000% believer of electric vehicles. So why he would have an influence on Donald Trump? I'm sure he would have an influence. I'm sure he would be pro telling Trump if he's the president that the Department of Energy should give a $2.2 billion deal to Lithium Americas or to whatever lithium miner, because or to the lithium industry itself to help it grow. That's just my thinking. It's simple, right? If Elon Musk is with Trump and he has he has direct access to Trump and can tell him things or give him ideas or whatever, I don't think the lithium industry has anything to fear from a Trump administration. So to conclude and to give you my opinion also, I think that LAC is a very intriguing stock. It is trading in a commodity sector that's rock bottom prices now, and we'll see a bull run at some point that's going to be very volatile, bull run to the upside, right? So that's one. LAC has the potential to be an amazing stock that can give great returns if they can get those catalysts turning their way. Right, the $2.2 billion deal from the loan from the Department of Energy, the rest of the money from General Motors, the beginning production and mining at the Nevada property. So all those three, if all those things go their way, then investors will be highly rewarded. Now, if you don't like the risks, because I mentioned the risks in this video, then if you want as less risks as possible, but you want to invest in the lithium sector, then maybe you want to look at Albemarle Corp, which is the top lithium producer in the world. They used to be a $300 stock. They're now at a virtually $100 because they fell $200 down, $200 a share down because the lithium prices are at rock bottom, right? So that's that. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. I think that LAC poses significant high reward. And in my personal opinion, because of the Elon Musk factor being, with Trump, I would be more inclined and leaning towards investing in LAC. Personally speaking for me, but you should never invest according to my opinion. I wish you guys all the best and take care.